Here's how you can turn any skill you have into a 6 figures business, right? Absolutely any skill. This could be anything. And I'm going to be showing you how you can turn that into a 6 figures business. Like, guys, there are literally guys out there who are teaching people to play football and they're making 6 figures with that, right? So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do that. This could be any skill. So let's just get right into it. So before I show you everything and explain everything step by step, here is a graph or triangle, whatever you want to call it, right? So this is how you turn a skill into a business. So first you acquire a skill, then you create either a service or you teach that skill to other people, right? So you acquire a skill, then you either provide that skill as a service or teach people that skill, right? So that turns into a business, a coaching business or a service-based business, and that business makes you money, right? This is how we are going to be turning any skill into a business and make money with any skill and monetize your skill, right? So moving on, first is acquiring a skill. If you want to teach people a skill or provide people a service, you first gotta know something, right? So first you gotta acquire a skill. How you can do that, I'll show you. So first you gotta decide whether you want to provide a skill as a service or you want to teach it to others, right? This is the two main ways of using a skill and turning it into a business. So here are questions that you have to ask. If you're going to provide it as a service, you ask, will this service make people money? Will it save their time? And will it help them with their business, right? An example of that could be, video editing, paid ads, content marketing. You get the idea, right? If your service will help people solve these 3 problems right there, then go ahead and provide it, right? Next, for if you want to provide it, like teach it to others, is ask yourself these questions. So will the skill that you're going to teach other people, do you have experience in the skill? Is the skill that you have experience with? And will people find this valuable? And can you charge high prices for this? Because you don't want to be charging low price for something that you're going to teach. You're going to be teaching high value skills, so you got to learn high value skills. So you got to either have experience with it, and people also have to find the skill valuable, right? So this could be any skill. Just try to have a skill in the major 3, that is health, wealth, relationship, something in these 3, because these will allow you to charge high prices for your coaching. So only teach people something if you already have a high value skill in these 3, as I said before. And don't really just acquire a skill, like a skill you started to watch videos about a week ago, and start a coaching business and try to teach other people, because you will fail. You won't teach nobody because you don't even know it properly, right? So service, they want results. If you provide a service, they want results. And if you are coaching people, they want experience, right? So if you don't really have any valuable skill that you can teach people, don't really have a lot of experience with it, provide a service first. Learn something and then provide it as a service first. This it doesn't really require that much experience, because they're just looking for results, right? So provide it as a service first, then you can teach it to others, right? So that will make you a lot of money. This is what big gurus like Iman Gadzhi did. He started an agency, scaled it to 6 figures per month, then started teaching people how to run an agency, started making millions a month, right? If you don't have a skill at first, provide it as a service, then start to teach people that service. So now we have the acquiring a skill part clear. Next, let's move on to niche, right? So the thing is, there are two types of niches. First is a blue ocean market. That's what people call it, a blue ocean market, which is basically ideal for beginners. If you're a complete beginner to the online space, you don't know anything, then it's better you go with this, something in the blue ocean market. So what this helps you with is it's low competition, and you're basically targeting dumb people. I'll explain more about that in a second, but you're targeting dumb people, and the more you niche down, the more money you're going to make. Now, what I mean by targeting dumb people is, let me first explain this. What is red ocean? This will be hard to sell. So this is a blue ocean market, this is a red ocean market. So these, when you're targeting people like, run agency owners or drop shipping or growth operators or coaches and consultants, it will be harder to sell your service or your coaching to these people rather than dumb people. What I mean by dumb people is that people who don't really have any idea of online marketing, all that stuff, right? This could be literally like brick and mortar businesses like I don't know, plumbers or whatever. You get the idea, right? People who don't really have any ideas of running ads to get clients or having a social media presence. In brick and mortar businesses usually don't have that, right? Like, for example, kitchen renovators or even few real estate agents, right? So you target those type of people, and the more you niche down, the more money you're going to make, right? And the more you niche down, it'll be low competition for you too, so that results in making more money. Now, red ocean, it's hard to sell. This is where you're providing a service or coaching to agency owners, people who already have an idea of online marketing, online funnels, sales, and all that. They already have an idea of that. And a very, very important thing to do is, when choosing a niche, is target people who are not broke. Like, so many people I see, so many beginners, like, they try to come up with a creative niche that's super low competition, that's literally super blue ocean market, but they literally choose something like, I saw a guy the other day in one of an agency Discord community, and he was targeting, I think, some party inflatables, right? You guys have seen those inflatable party things. I don't even remember the name of that shit. So businesses like that, they probably like put in those stuff like 2 or 3 times a year. They make like fucking pennies, and guys are targeting those people are broke. They don't have money to invest in ads, right, or anything about online marketing and online social media or anything like that. So target people who actually have money to invest, and you could literally find who has money by just searching in Google. How much do real estate agents make? How much does this niche make? So choose a good niche, and just choose one. If you like something, like, let's say you have experience in kitchen renovators because your dad was a kitchen renovator, then choose that, because you have a little bit of advantage, because you know how the niche works, how the people in the niche talk, where they hang out, all that stuff, right? So choosing a niche isn't really that hard. Just choose one, and try to choose like a brick and mortar business first. Then you can go into helping online business owners if you want, which is basically hard to sell. That you can do if you have experience, right? So when you're a beginner, choose something in the blue ocean, and choosing a niche shouldn't be hard. Just freaking do it and start getting clients. So next, we're going to be seeing about offer and how you can create a good offer and all that stuff. So going into offers, I better finish this video quick because my computer is running out of battery. So offers, you should have guarantees, bonuses, and also have upsells, and your offer should literally be a no-brainer. Like, prospects should feel stupid to saying no to your offer. It has to be that good. I've literally made a whole video going over just offer creation, so check that out. That's more in depth, but I'll try to cover as much possible as I can in this. So once you have a good offer and with guarantees, no-brainers, bonuses, and all that, And yeah, you get the point. Watch my video on offer creation. I'll give a link in the description. Once you have a good offering, just start stacking skills, right? When you start stacking skills, your offer becomes more valuable. So that allows you to charge more, right? Because if what you're offering is more valuable, you can charge more for that, right? So start stacking skills. What I mean by that is, let's say your main skill is paid ads. You're providing paid ads as a service. Then your secondary skill should be like video editing or, organic content marketing, optimization, something like that, right? Learn those and start adding those to your offer, which will make your offer more valuable. Because instead of offering just a single part of the whole funnel, once you start stacking skills, you can literally take care of the entire funnel, and that will allow you to charge more, right? This is like truly how you can charge a lot of money for your offers, by stacking skills instead of just offering a service that just solves a single problem in their funnel or their acquisition system. You can just offer something that takes care of the entire acquisition system, right? So start stacking skills so you can charge more. And then next is acquisition. So acquisition, this is probably the most important part, because you can have just a mid offer, a mid service, or a mid skill, but if you just use the right acquisition method, you can make a lot of money with it. And I'll explain to you what the acquisition methods are. So it's basically building a personal brand. This is the most important one, guys. I'm telling you, building a personal brand is something that will allow you to fucking make a shit ton of money with a shit offer. I'm just telling you, you could make a lot of money with a bad fucking offer, right? A personal brand. So you're creating content on Instagram and YouTube, just like this one. I'm creating videos on YouTube. You start posting reels on Instagram. Then paid ads, also a fucking game changer. Paid ads right here. Once you start having a little bit of content in, you have money, start running paid ads. I'll make a whole video on running paid ads the correct way, the way that will make you a lot of money with just a little bit of investment. So subscribe and wait for that. That'll be coming out very soon. So paid ads, once you start implementing that, these two right here will literally scale your business to 6 figures. Then there's warm outreach, so reaching out to followers and people who are engaging with your content. Then if you want, or if you don't really have any money to invest into ads, like not even $20 a day, then you can do cold outreach. But yeah, these are literally the acquisition methods, and I've literally made shit ton of videos on creating personal brand for your business and getting clients with content. And I've also made a few videos going over cold outreach too. So yeah, check that out on my YouTube channel. I can't really put everything into a small 15-minute video. So yeah, check my YouTube channel out for a lot of value in there. I literally give away everything for free. So check that out. So this is literally the whole system that you can use to turn any skill into a 6-figure business. And this actually works. People have done it time and time again. All your gurus are doing this. So if you're a beginner, or if you don't really have any skill, start with offering a service first, then you can offer a skill, right? So yeah, that's literally how you do it, guys. So with that being said, if you already are an agency owner or a coaching business owner and want to add an extra 10 to 20k per month to your coaching business or your service-based business in the next 90 days, go ahead and book a call with the link in the description, and we'll see if you're a right fit. Or if you want to start your service-based business or a coaching business and want to scale to 10k in the next 90 days and have money to invest in ads, go ahead and book a call, the link in the description, and we'll scale your business past 6 figures in no time. So that being said, I'll see you guys